Hello, welcome to my Coding 101. Ngayon, magko-coding tayo ng function. So, ang unang gagawin ay maglalagay ng include iostream tapos using namespace as standard or std. So, dito, next dito is mag-initialize tayo ng identifier which is the sum. So dito nag-initialize ulit tayo ng num1 tsaka initialize ulit ng num2. And then return num1 plus num2. And then after that mag-initialize initialize main tayo, close and open, and yung parang kulot na close parenthesis. And then i-initialize natin yung a is equal to 5. Tapos dito sa b is equal to 4. At yung pinakalas na i-initialize natin is yung result which is equal to a plus b. Or I mean the result will be equal to sum which is a and b. Tapos dito see out na natin yung the sum of a and b is equal to yun. Kaya result yung nilagay ko dito is yung program na bahala sa sum nung a tapos b. I mean mag-add. Tapos return 0. And then tapos na.